Hey there cruisers, we're Shimon and Joyce, and today we're going to show you how to get your own video input on the Stateroom TV on Royal Caribbean ships, including this one, Symphony of the Seas. The first thing to note is that these Samsung TVs have a remote provided by the cruise line that doesn't have a source button, so you need to bring your own Samsung compatible remote that does have a source button. Secondly, even when you do this, it may not work straight away. So let me show you what you've got to do. First thing to do is from the menu, select Live TV with the standard remote. And we'll enter that. You'll notice that even if I press the source button now, nothing happens. So there's one more step. Let's pull the TV out from the wall on the hinge. I've already plugged my HDMI cable in, but you will notice that there is a network cable also plugged in. This is a LAN cable. You need to unplug it. Now that's unplugged. You'll see on screen there's a notification that the cable was unplugged. Now, if I press the source button, we have the menu options and we can simply select different HDMI inputs. I hope that's been helpful to you. Happy cruising!